Hello friends, how are you today? We talk about curing compound Fast Cure W1 and W2.
Fast Cure WAVOC compliant, ready to use membrane forming, emulsified wax. Concrete curing agent that cures the concrete by forming a barrier against moisture loss without staining concrete surfaces. It is a sprayable liquid that offers maximum water retention performance. Fast Cure W is a clear membrane curing compound. Fast Cure W2 is an opaque, white pigmented membrane for use primarily on exterior concrete pavements. Fast Cure W is low odor and appropriate to use in enclosed areas. Fast Cure W is effective on either vertical or horizontal surfaces. This product complies with Federal Air Quality Regulation 40 CFR 52.254.
Basic use: Fast Cure W is an effective, economical curing compound that should be used only on surfaces in areas where subsequent coatings or toppings are not planned. Fast Cure W2 is best used where maximum curing and sunlight reflectance are required, such as state highways, DOTs, city and county roads, bridge decks, dams, and curb and gutter work.